This is the Little Blue, compact, capable, and built for serious sawing. With a cutting capacity of up to 30 inches in diameter and board lengths up to 17 feet to 21 feet, Little Blue delivers big performance in a smaller frame. Its frame? Choose from 4 fully welded tubular steel sizes, built solid with no joints for unmatched strength. Powered by a Honda GX 390 or Honda GX 630, it guarantees smooth, reliable performance. With an electric saw head height adjustment and auto lock system, setup is quick and effortless with the support of a 4,000 pounds electric winch. Its Swedish-made blade delivers precise, durable cuts every time. The color-coded cutting guide, invented by Vallee, lets you saw from 3/4 inch to 4 inches with absolute accuracy. Thanks to Vallee's exclusive one-step go system, the engine, blade, and lubrication activate in a single motion, fully equipped with 2 stainless steel log clamps, 2 roller-equipped turners to rotate logs easily, and 3 laser-marked log stops for perfect positioning, road legal, with lights, fenders, and license plate holder included. Delivered with a single-axle trailer, with a double axle available as an option. And the best part? It's highly customizable with over 300 possible configurations. The Little Blue by Vallee Forestry Equipment. Small footprint, big potential. Find your nearest dealer on our website, valleeforestryequipment.com.